What's up guys, this is Graffiti Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to paint really realistic looking water droplets, and it is really easy. So what you need is 3 different shades of a similar colour, okay, if you want to do coloured ones that is. So I've got the middle shade here, okay, just done a little square of the middle shade, and I've got a darker shade of that colour and a lighter shade of that colour, and you can add white as well, but that is optional. You can still make them look good like this, but basically what you're going to do, just hold the can tilted like that and just do one side of it, and then keep this in the same direction. Don't go back on it like this. This is the same direction, and just do around the other side. So this part is the shadow, and that is where the shadow's hitting it on the other side, okay? And then you're going to get your lighter colour and just do a highlight. Just like that. See, that already looks like a water drop. And then just do some little highlights up here, because this is how they look in real life. It's them highlights that make it look really real. You see that? And sometimes the light shines back through this way, so you can do a little highlight there as well. And the light is shining through it. Alright, so optional, you can get some white or transparent white. Transparent white would be better because it doesn't go on as heavy. So, and just go over these highlights a little bit more. I just make them look a bit brighter. I don't know if you can even see that on there, but it has made a little bit of a difference. And you could even do the same with some transparent black. If you just go over the shadow again with some transparent black, it will darken it a bit more. Just the more you add to it, the more realistic it'll look. But you don't even, like I said, the white and the black are optional, so you can just stick with the other colours. So you can also do them just in black and white. If you don't have 3 different shades of a colour, you can do it just using just black and white. It doesn't look as good, but if you haven't got all the colours, then just do it with this. It's the same thing. Shape one side, do the shadow underneath, and then you can use white or just a lighter shade of that colour. Do highlights. See how easy it is. And another way to paint them would be just like this one here, because obviously, you know, water droplets ain't always just a little drop like that. They can run down as well. So I'll show you step by step now how I painted this one as well. So it's just the same rules apply, but it's just a different shape literally. So that was the darker shade. Just get your lighter shade now. This would just have a little highlight on it on this side, so As we get down here, you can angle the can to the side because this part's rounded. And then get some transparent black and some transparent white. And I forgot to do a highlight on the other side, so I'll just do that now. Almost as easy as that. I know this one don't look as good as that one, but I've rushed this one a little bit, so you get the drift. And that is how you paint realistic looking water drops. So if you like this video, then subscribe, because there's plenty more like this coming, just simple tutorials. And if you like the video, click like, and let us know what you think in the comments.